Okay, now that the ads are over and I have my cup of tea, we'll get started. Not really planning a whole lot. I just really wanted to get my Linux install good to go. Change scenes here to my desktop. Okay, I haven't tested this, so um, see what happens. If my capture card will just pick it up or otherwise. I don't know if my alerts are broken either, so we shall see. Mm. Um. Oh, that's a good sign. Oh, there we go. Is it just not going to let me get into the boot menu? Oh, there we go. Ba 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 ba. It's my old Linux drive. I don't think the USB. Yeah, it's not being read. Okay. Oh, you know what? I might need to. I know you guys are only seeing a black screen right now. Disable secure boot. Uh, uh, I'll have to disable secure boot anyway to boot into Arch. I'm hoping once I get an OS loaded, the screen capture will work again. Thank you, Jukes. Okay, secure boot disabled. Hi, cat. I'm hoping once I actually get into an OS, my capture card will pick up the display again. But for now, it's black screen mode. Am I? What about now? Uh, yeah, I have no idea how the audio sounds, so just let me know. so strange. It's not picking up my boot device. How about now? Oh, I don't want to dox myself. Hold on. I know it's black. It's because it wasn't seeing an OS. Okay, is this drive just... Oh. That would be why. It wasn't even reading the drive. That's cool. Thanks. Okay, let's try this again. I have no idea if my on my computer the transitions are really laggy. I don't know how that's coming through on stream, so something I'll probably have to fix. Which I don't know how. There we go. Boot in normal mode. The question is, will my capture card pick up this up? Yes, it will. Cool. I was hoping it would. Just auto pick it up like that. Yeah, I won't be able to do this from memory. I forget. Blah blah blah. Oh yeah. Okay. How do I make the font bigger? Oh, what is it like? Set font. I think, yeah, it is. Set font. I think Arch comes with Termina fonts pre-installed. Or is it? It's like, I forget what it's called. Terminal fonts. Okay, that's what it is. It's should be like set font dash. I know that this will be ridiculously big, I believe. Oh, actually it's not. That should be a little easier to see. I hope. Okay, back to this. Okay, I have an internet connection. That's good. I don't think I like fdisk. Yeah. Oh, what is it? Ah, that's the. Yeah, it's been a while. I forget what the disk is called, actually, off the top of my head. I believe it's not SDC. I think it's SDA because the other two are my other boot drives and NVMe. CF disk, SDA, or thank you for the follow, Thrall. Sorry if I butchered that terribly. SDA. Okay. I don't need those anymore. Okay. Do I really need swap? Probably should make swap. Hello, Knox. Could make a facet, but it's been so long. I also have 32 gigs of RAM, so I probably won't bother with swap either. I need to make MNT and boot. Or am I just... Oh, Lord. Why did I decide, after not using Linux for God knows how long, that Arch would be the best idea to install? Oh, boy. I think... And then if I do... SDA 1? Oh, that's right. I gotta make the... How did I ever bloody do this from memory? Okay, so If I recall correctly, oh, yeah, sorry, I don't have links enabled just because bots post stupid stuff and I don't want somebody clicking on something by accident. Think. No, it's okay. I what I'll do is I'll make this 25. Oh, yeah. I have the guide pulled up on my phone right now. Partition size. That will do that. The rest can just be that. Yeah. I haven't done this in a while. So I believe oh, you know what? I'm completely screwing this up. Delete. Let me start from scratch here. I remember how to do this now. Boot doesn't need to be huge. Like, that's fine. I don't need swap because I have enough RAM. That swap I don't need it. So I'll just do that. And then if I make this type, I think it's EFI system. And then I make this. Oh, believe it's this one. Write that to the disk. Okay. Okay, so they're partitioned. So then we do make fs.xt for that would be SDA2 if I'm not mistaken. Okay. And then make fs.fat-f32/dev/sda1. Then mount/dev/ I believe it's SDA2 that I mount to M&T. And then I to... Oh, is it this the... Okay, yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah. Um, how do I not have low latency mode on or something? Why is there so much delay? And you can just be right out of here, bot. Huh. Yeah, I don't know why there's so much latency. I have, okay. Do, do, do. So, do, should do the mirrorless. Oh, what is it? It's like rank mirrors. Usually that's better than creating your own mirror list. It's like reflector. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm. What are the options? I haven't. Oh boy. Hold on. That's the one. This is Reddit to the rescue. This is what I used in the past. Hopefully it still works. Ba ba ba. Give me one moment, Chooks, and I'll drink my tea. I'd be surprised if you understood any of this. Really would. This is going to take a minute to run, so. Oh, ads are about to start. Perfect timing considering it's doing this. So you won't be missing much. They'll be starting in about a minute, so feel free to just mute. I understand how annoying ads are. I actually forgot how long ranking mirrors takes, but that's fine. Wait, does Arc really mirror Garuda Linux for some things? That's interesting. Could have gone with OpenSUSE. I do like OpenSUSE. Um, I don't know. I just always end up back on Arch. It'll be interesting to see how long I last on Arch. I'm very good at breaking Arch Linux, mostly because I'm an idiot with how I install things on Arch Linux. I use the Arc user repository a lot, or R, and if you don't, if you're not vetting your packages, you break things. And I see that ads are over. Welcome back, everyone. This is going to take a bit. I once had this process just fail out completely without any reason for it to fail. That was an interesting time. It turned out the drivers for my motherboard for network weren't working properly, so I had to go through the issue. I had to. It was a whole thing, and I did get it working eventually. then once I get this done, I have to pack strap. That's right. Then Gen FS tab, or F stab, as I like to say. And then ch root, set the time zone, set the hardware clock, localization. As much as I want to use a tiling window manager, they're a lot of work to set up. You can do some really cool things with tiling window managers once you have them set up, but they take it's a lot of work. But Hyperland has so much. It's just beautiful. This is the eyesore part, docs. Like, I get through this and install a desktop environment, we'll be fine. But right now, it looks like moon runes, so. Then I have to set it up so that Grub can use Secure Boot, because Windows 11, to play Valorant on Windows, you need Secure Boot enabled now. Awesome Window Manager. I've heard good things about Awesome. Actually, Cinnamon's not a bad shout. Cinnamon doesn't usually install a lot of bloat like KDE or GNOME do. Yeah, I'll probably do. I also do really like Cinnamon. Once these mirrors finish ranking. I remember the first time I actually used Reflector to rank mirrors in Arch, and it was like it made the experience so much better when installing things. Oh. May not have been a bad idea to do this afterwards, but doing it before, I feel, is just the better idea. As much as I like Wayland based environments, I'll probably just go Zorg, because it's just more compatible in general with everything. Like, in order to get in order to screen share on Discord with Wayland, you have to set up virtual camera on OBS and then turn on the virtual camera and then use your turn on the camera in Discord in order to get it's a mess for screen Discord screen share just doesn't work on Wayland. Why do I feel like the Steam Deck? Someone feel free to correct me if I'm wrong, but I want to say the Steam Deck uses Wayland as a base for its compositor. I think that's the word for it. Man, I'm so tired. I They put me in a different department at work for today, and the work for that department is very repetitive and very unstimulating. So when I get bored, I get tired. Do, do, do. You know what I'm gonna do? While this does its thing, I'm going to go and refill. I did not. Yeah, no, that makes sense. I completely forgot to set the country. It's do I start reflector over again? I completely forgot about that. I don't know if I should just start it over so that it Oh, it finished. Never mind. Okay. So, yeah. Cool. Ba, ba, ba. Patchstrap -k /mnt base Linux -firmware. Usually I install the Zen kernel, but is there really a point to doing that nowadays? Yeah. Mm. Oh, that's yes. I was trying to remember what it was. Base devil. I think that's it, right? I think everything else I can install afterwards. Or I have to install afterwards. I don't think I need anything else. DHCPD. That's probably a good idea. I've tried using network. I don't know. I know though that I can install afterwards. It's just a bit more of a headache to get going. Um, I typically use Network Manager. That's fair. I think I'll just run this right now. This for now, and then chroot and do the rest afterwards because it's typically what I do anyway. Mm-hmm. Let's see what they have for client. Let's see what there is here. I also have to remember package names. Manually set up an IP routing table. Network manager should just be that. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. It's just less of a headache. Okay, while that does its thing, I'm going to go refill my water. Okay, I'm back and it finished while I was gone. Right. CH root into MNT if I'm not mistaken. Or no, it's I should do this before I forget. Um, ba-ba. Oh. Uh. Do you remember the command off the top of your head to get your region and or I think I could just Google it. Mm. Yeah, so I don't know if Canada is considered a region by Arch. I believe it is. Screw it. Just freestyle it. Hope for the best. Right. Oh. That's right. Pac-Man dash S nano. W. That's all I need. Okay. Da, da, da. Um. There's this. Hmm. Well, I'll just name it what I typically call my computers. There. Should really not be doing this as tired as I am, but it's fine. Thank you for the bits, Cat. My uh, boy. This is. Why did I decide this was a good idea to do right now? Blah blah blah. Yeah, already done that. Oh yeah, there is. I forgot this exists. Not that it's the most helpful thing in the world. Oh. Yeah. Can do that later. Oh, that's right. And then wait, no. I don't think I need that directory. Oh wait, no, I would. Oh my god. Hmm. Hmm. Actually, oh. Okay. Okay. Now, Pacman dash S network manager. I'll just install that for now because that'll install all its dependencies. Uh, is it time to just? Oh, that is important. And then I gotta add a user. Okay. Oh. Right. So, I'm just gonna hide my screen while I make my user, because that needs my password. I need to add myself to wheel, otherwise I won't be able to run admin level commands. Uh, okay, so if I'm not mistaken, it's oh, I forgot Arch completely hides passwords in the terminal. That's right. Okay. Well, I'll quickly find out if that worked or not. But as in, will happen for now, though. Oh, it's just exit, right? Yeah. I don't think I forgot anything, but knowing my luck, I will. I did something wrong. That's okay. That's what ch root is for. Right. I think it was that, right? Oh God. Boy. Oh, right. It's just her. Okay, so can I cd slash mnt ls slash or cd slash boot ls? That's probably the problem. Wait, why is there a second? Hold on. cd. Okay, ch root. Oh my god, no, it's arch ch root. Yes. Oh, that's right. Hmm. Okay. That should do it. Oh my god. Hi, Crusoe. I gotta shoot you a PM in a moment. Okay. There we go. No, just something. Here, I'll just. I'll message you on Discord. Okay. So now, with any luck, I have internet connection. Oh god. Now I need to configure network manager. Um Oh, I have to enable network manager. Um Yeah, no, I saw. Da, da, da. Network manager Arch. I think I just have to start the service, right? Yeah. Which, if I'm not mistaken, is systemctl, or I might actually have to sudo it, systemctl enable network manager dot service. Oh. Thanks. I'm not in the sudoers, so log out, root. I didn't set a root password, so I might need to. Yeah, yeah, no, I didn't set a root password. But have a good look. Have a good look, Crusoe. Uh, oh, I booted the wrong drive. I'm losing it over here. I always do this. I always inevitably forget to do something important, and I have to CH root back in, which is fine. But I wish I would stop doing it. uh, okay. See, I gotta mount the drives first. Mount slash dev slash SDA2 slash MNT mount slash dev slash SDA1 slash MNT slash boot LSBLK. That's not the right mount point. Umount slash dev slash SDA1. It's slash mounts slash dev slash SDA1 2 slash. No, that's right. That should be right. MNT slash boot. Arch dash ch root 2 slash MNT. I forgot to set my tur fonts. Set font tur dash 130. I actually might need to. Yeah, I need to set font tur dash 132b. There. Clear. System CTL enable network manager dot service. Cool. That should fix the internet issue. Now adding my user to sudoers arch. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, that's right. It's just user mod dash ag wheel winter. That should do it. Then vi sudo pacman dash s vim. Vi sudo. I know it's there. It is. I how do I? Can't I just? Might not actually work, but I'm gonna try it anyway. For science. Yeah, I didn't think so. Oh wait, no, it's sudoers. I have not learned how to use Vim, and I'm not going to start today. I will eventually, maybe. Oh no, I need to add. Oh boy, that's right, because it's a. Are you serious? I should. There we go. And then back in. How do I even like? Hmm. Oh my god. Yeah, I know. I'm just an idiot and don't remember how to edit files through edit device pseudo the hotkey for it to uncomment it. Oh. So hold on. I remember doing this vaguely. Okay, that should have closed everything. So isn't it just simply run this in? Yeah, and then I should just be able to. Yeah. Yep. Thank you very much, Thrall. Uh. Okay, that should do it. And then all right, have a good stream, Jukes. Okay, so now, oh, at least Grub's working. Okay. Okay, so now. What's something simple to install that I'll likely need? Audio. What that'd be what, Pipewire? I think. I should see if I have internet first, actually. Yeah, we're good to go on the internet front. I am gonna have to install Zorg regardless of what I do, so. I wonder, will Cinnamon just install the Zorg by default? You're about to find out. It looks like it will. Although it looks like it's installing Wayland. Okay, then if I'm not mistaken, let's just run. Okay. Oh boy. I might just. Yeah, I'm just gonna reboot. I didn't enable SDDD. SDDM. Don't think it matters though. Yes, it does. System CTL enable SDDM. I think. Okay, so. Oh yeah. Okay. With any luck, we'll get SDDM. Configure the monitors later for now. Well, I have a white screen. I don't. Oh boy, oh boy. I just flashbanged everyone. Oh, I know what it did. I see. Hold on. I know what happened. Okay, this monitor's over here. This monitor's here. This monitor's my primary. That is that. That is that. And this, there's a way to do it. It's, oh, how do I, oh, I'm now disabling monitors, which isn't good. It's okay. It's okay. I don't know what time you went to bed last night, but I just remember. Yeah, we're having problems right now. Which is early for you. Oh God. I'm breaking things. Yeah, don't you like my arch install? Oh God. What's even happening? Good question. Installing cinnamon, apparently. Okay, that goes there. That goes there. I forget how to mirror a display onto another display in here because I've been using Hyperland for God knows how long. I just tried to use a hotkey to bring up the terminal that I have usually set in Hyperland. Oh God. Clearly, fun fact, because this display isn't mirrored, my capture card um oh my God, what? I like cinnamon. I really do. It's just I don't use it all that often. Oh God. And this is why. Yeah. Um. Okay. I might. Oh, I forgot my stream is like 5 seconds behind. What's the what's the command to switch to terminal? Found it. Okay. Uh, it's actually Control Alt F3. Um. Yeah, I think it is. I think any of those work. Yeah. Yeah. Do I just install Hyperland? Is that what I do? Do I just deadass bring up the Hyperland install guide right now? Good, you agree. Oh, I gotta set up Yay. I'm gonna do that first because Yay is important. I don't have Git. Ah! I don't have Base Devil. I just don't have Git. Yeah, no, that's what I'm doing. My capture card with my setup, my capture card is not um thrilled with cinnamon. Then it's git clone https://r.arclinux.org/yay.git cda make pkg-si. It's going to be interesting because I had some issues with my capture card and Hyperland last time I used Hyperland, so this will be fun. Okay. Um. Hyperland. I know. I do like Jaculit's stuff. Um. That's fair. Do I want to use? Kind of just. Kind of want to customize it myself, though. Thank you for the bits, cat. Jaculit's stuff looks so good, though. Um. But I'm going to do this the old-fashioned way. Okay. Yay. Dash S. Boy, I'm fucking up. GDB. Oh, you're right. Oh my god. But I just want to do this, because it's been a while, and I really do want to get a custom setup going. Yeah. You just like seeing me in pain. Which I and I have to input all these packages manually because I don't have a working desktop environment. libx composite zorg dash zinput libx render pixmin wayland dash proto. I suppose I could install something like oh, what's that one terminal browser like W3 or something like that, I think it's called. I don't remember off the top of my head. CD. I'll have to look into that. Oh, if I'm going File Explorer, Thunar, all the way. It's by far my favorite file manager. Oh, I see. I understand. Um, what's that last package? Hypercursor. I know there's a way to input it so that Yay and Pac-Man won't ask for confirmation. Does that mean you're going to be up all night with me? Smile. No, that's not what I'm asking. I'm asking about the where it's like Y or N. Do you know if you can skip that? I'm pretty sure you can. I think you need to set it up, but I know you can. I believe you can. I gotta clone this recursively. Gotcha. You've been using Linux more than I have recently. And when I say more than me, I mean I haven't used Linux at all in a couple months, so look at that beautiful mirror. 7 I'm pretty sure if I had cinnamon working, I would have just sat on cinnamon. I can't speak English right now. Help. Um, Hazy, if I got two of my friends, if two of my friends want to play Uno later, would you be down to join? Thank you for the hydrate, Crusoe. Lovely. Okay. I'm gonna need to refill my my water cup in a moment. Make and sudo make install. Do you just get access to the emotes because you're a mod? Because if so, that's really cool. And those are default Twitch emotes. It's missing that package, so do I just grab that real quick? Oh, I see. And you probably have a bajillion of them because of all the lovely lurking you did. Okay, now it shouldn't fail out. Yeah, there we go. I'm curious. Can I see how many channel points everyone has? I can't see chat right now, so uh, I don't know. I'll have to look after stream. Okay. Okay, so that's built. I should just be able to run Hyperland, right? And it'll work. Oh, they updated the default. I don't have Kitty installed. I should have installed Kitty before installing Hyperland. Quite possibly. Did you know with uh, Twitch Prime, you get a free sub to your favorite streamer every month? No, I'm not forcing anyone to use their sub. Give it to people that actually stream. Okay. Kitty's installed. I'll deal with my preferred bash stuff later. Just want a terminal for Hyperland. That's a different wallpaper. Cool. I know you guys can't see anything. Oh wait, no you can. Ads. Cool. Okay. Sudo nano slash home slash winter slash dot con. Oh, hold on. What is the default? That's it. Oh my god, this mouse sensitivity. Sudo nano slash dot config slash hyper land dot conf TKF7 There we go. Oh, I'm just gonna leave that at 1, but then I'll key that out. Okay. I could install a browser right now. I could. What's the monitor? Right. Name, resolution, position and scale. So let's see if I can do this right. Pretty sure my main monitor's DP1. But it never hurts to check. It's monitors all. Okay. Yeah, the Elgato. My capture card is that. Okay. Yeah, monitor. I was right. Okay. So DP-2. At or 2560 by 1440 at 165. 1920 by 0. Okay, that's my main monitor sorted. Oh wait, no. Monitor equals DP-2, 1920 by 1080 at 144. This one is 0 by 0 typically. Last time I configured Hyperland, that's what that was like. And then there's a specific way I can mirror a display. Ah, right. And then monitor. Equals HDMI dash A dash 1, I think it was. Auto. Or oh, thank you. Thank you for the sub, Hazy. You really didn't have to do that, but thank you. You've used Hyperland recently. Are you able to make a monitor resolution lower? I know you guys can't see my terminal right now because it's displaying my capture card as a third. You know what? I'm going to do it, and if something breaks, something breaks. Okay. I think I. Well, that didn't work, and I have a big old error bar at the top. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Uh. Oh, I know what I did. Uh, give me a little bit. I need to focus right now, and you're very distracting, in a good way, of course. But um, okay. So that let's go like that. I think, or what's this number? I'm gonna throw this in to be on the safe side. There we go. Okay. Let me set my audio settings because I'll be on my laptop. Let me make sure my audio so they can hear you. Do that, and then if I choose a VC, Hazy, and I'll try it. Um, you're deafened, by the way.
Deafened? You never told me. I would have never realized it.
Okay. Pac-Man S, Thunar, Kate.
Yeah, I was just waiting for it to pop up on stream. I'm like, wait a minute. There's nothing.
Uh,
You, do you use like Nano in the text editor as
yeah,
a text editor?
I use Nano.
You should look at Micro. It's way better.
Um, I think I want Pipewire Jack here, right? Or you know what? I'll abort this command. It's Pipewire that's used now, right?
Yeah.
Oh, bloody hell. Suit.
Acquired dash Jack.
Well, no, it's because I aborted a Pac-Man command, so now it won't let me install.
Pseudo reboot now.
What is it? It's like sudo rm slash var slash lib slash pacman slash
Make me want to
db.lck.
install large.
You missed the first half of this stream where I was struggling because I completely forgot Linux. Apparently.
Yeah, I woke up and I look at the I looked at my window and I was like, it's dark out. It must still be like really early. And then
And then you saw the messages from my message, and you're like, "Oh, I see."
I was like, wait, messages from hours ago. What happened?
um. Okay. Now Uh, default. And then I want pipe bar jack, I believe.
Not the broken air roll again. So what inspired you to go over to?
Oh, I just wanted to start streaming again, and I decided it would be a good idea for my first stream back to install Arch.
Right.
What is it? Hyperland.conf? Yeah. Okay. Um, I'm gonna change the gap size because they drive. The default is a bit nuts. What do I usually run? 2.5? Yeah. And then think I have the gaps out as well. Yes, I do. I'll I'll definitely try what you said out at some point, but right now I know how to use Nano, so I'm going to use Nano for
I
now.
don't blame you. I just I like micro because of Control C, Control V, and Control S.
What's the package for Yay or for Brave on Yay? Yay dash or Brave dash?
Brave browser,
Right.
Brave Dash browser.
Yay dash S Brave dash browser.
That should be it.
Yeah, I don't need Git Brave Git.
I don't think you want to install Brave itself though. That's just some random.
Can you tell it's been a while since I've used Linux?
Yeah, just a little bit.
I was gonna make it really piss easy and install OpenSUSE Tumbleweed, but I'm like, that's not entertaining.
Maybe you should install OpenSUS Tumbleweed um inside of Arch and QVM.
I don't have a second graphics card to pass through.
I'm sure you could probably find them.
A really old Radeon 5450 and a
I mean,
NVIDIA GT 730, and we all know how NVIDIA likes Linux.
honestly, an old AMD card is really fine. I mean, I was thinking about taking my RX 580 out of one of my systems because it's just like not used.
Okay, I'm trying to. What is it? What's the bloody variable to make to turn off uh, mouse Excel? What is it? I know it exists. Um, I know it's not apply sense to raw because that breaks a lot of things. That's it. Excel profile. Where's my Excel underscore profile equals flat. Okay. There. Now that the mouse sense, now I just need to lower the sensitivity. I Okay, that's better. Okay. What's now to set up proper default hotkeys? Oh, what is it for enter? It's return, right? Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, those are fine for now. Okay, so will Thunar load? I don't have it set up to launch Thunar by default. That's why. What is the default file manager? Dolphin. Yeah, no. I suppose the nice thing about installing Cinnamon before I installed Hyperland is I get the icon packs and stuff from Cinnamon. Okay, so now, there we go. Okay, and now I need to set up the browser. That should just be Brave, right? Yeah. Okay. Bind equals. Do my proper setup later where I put all my keybinds in one file, and I just use the hyperland.conf file as essentially a loading file to load everything else. I think it's just that to get that to work. Yep. I love that I printed off a 3D or a 3D. I 3D printed a phone stand for my desk. Very helpful. I don't care. I think Brave is just failing out now. Cool. I caused a bit of an error.
Maybe a little bit.
Just a minor error. Nothing major. I should probably install my microcodes. Oh, what is I don't think the system. I don't think my it's liking Brave anymore. Oh, now it is. What? Huh? Oh, maybe. Can you just? Okay. Maybe I'll stop using Brave and use something else. Bloody hell. Okay, yeah, that's totally working. Okay, now that I can pull chat up on my second monitor.
Oh, life is lovely.
Yeah.
This person owes me money. They're just not paying me back, and it really makes me mad.
How do you start Pipewire on?
I, I'm, I,
I
I
forget.
don't
You're
know.
you're you're using servers, so you don't install audio.
I mean, I usually do, but it usually just like works itself.
I don't have my headphones plugged into my desktop, so that'd probably help.
That's probably why it's not working. Try pipewire dash jack, by the way. Or when you type in pipewire, press tab and see if it auto completes to dot service or something. No.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm lost. Um, why does my microphone pick up like everything? Does it pick up everything? Or is it just me being stupid? Is that? Am I too quiet here?
Um,
Oh God. Am I? Oh.
oh, probably help us if I put dot service at the end.
Could be.
I don't know. Um.
I was gonna say, I think it just starts up by default. I don't, on a restart, like, why'd you type in pulse audio?
Because I have Pipewire and Pulse installed, so I was wondering if that may have done it. But I really need to use the bathroom, so I'll be right back
Alright.
once I set my screen to burb. I'm back.
Welcome back. Pipe, just type in pipe wire. And then if that don't work, type in pipe wire dash balls. And then
Um,
usually you would add
if it errored
those.
it errored out, it might actually already be running. I want to reboot just in case.
That's probably the best idea is to reboot after a package like that.
Yeah. But you know me, Kyle.
Right. How long does it take for somebody to pay back $80? Like it's been a week and a half already. Wait, it's been way more than a week and a half. I got my check on like the first. It's been one, two, it's been 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks. Uh,
Don't you love the anime girl in Hyperland?
I prefer the other one.
um, how do I turn off this wallet shit in Brave? 'Cause I only use uh, I only use this browser because its ad blocker still works on YouTube because the YouTube ads have gotten ridiculous. I won't blame anyone for using ad blocker on my shit. Like, if you use ad blocker on my stuff, I really do not care. Uh-huh.
I don't use ad blocker. Good.
It's slightly irritating that it's not keeping me signed in on Twitch. Oh, you know what? I might need to. I think I've had this problem in the past, and I had to do that to get it working. I just can't log in on Twitch on my desktop because it has. I've sent too many SMS messages to my phone. Well then. What are some essentials? Wo-fi? I did. I am very glad I decided to rank my mirrors before I installed with
Right.
reflector.
So, like, I do this volunteer stuff, right? For tutoring for like high school, not even high school kids. It's more like underage kids.
Okay.
And I'm supposed to like report something, but I don't want to. I feel like it's like it's not needed, but state law tells me I have to file a child or I have to report child abuse because I'm mandated to because of like something I've seen,
Mm.
but I
It's
don't
not the
know if I.
prettiest menu, but it works.
Oh my.
It'll do.
Yeah.
I'm just going to move this over here. There, logged in on uh, my desktop. So I'm gonna move my audio setting. I'm gonna plug my audio mixer in on my desktop and hopefully have audio.
Okay.
I just realized I can't do that because I have no way of routing my audio through my capture card for stream. I can only do that on Windows. I I think it's time to play games.
It's time to play games.
Yeah,
I don't blame you.
enough fucking around in Linux for today. Oh, I should have set up the secure boot shit before I reboot it up. Oh, well, I'll do that later. For now, I'll just make Windows Boot Manager the default and then enable uh, God. My fucking shoulder hurts.
That's never good.
Oh, because Linux Arch parsed some of my drives with LSBLK. Um, I get Windows recovery all the time.
I was gonna say you don't have Windows no more. Just
I
like
I still have
I
Windows. Windows is still working.
I almost removed Windows by accident.
You remember when you know when uh, did you watch that Chris Titus video where he fucking nuked his Windows boot manager?
No,
Oh, well, guess
I
who?
was gonna say.
Guess who did that once?
You?
Yeah.
I say I've been in that situation where I was just sitting there and I was just like formatting stuff, and I was like, oh well, there goes Windows. Oh, I need to
Okay.
change my
Okay. I'm gonna swap my audio over so I can use my desktop and yeah, be
All
back
right.
in a moment. In a momento. Taken and we're golden on the audio, even if it's incredibly loud. Um. Okay. Doo-doo-doo. Hopefully that's good. I hopefully have. I hope the audio on stream isn't ridiculously loud. Um. But it very well might be just ridiculously loud. Uh, it might be a good idea. I gotta set. Uh, what's. Huh? What? What do you mean it's. Oh, I just heard myself. That's cringe. Um, I see the audio working on on my end. For some reason, um, okay. Why isn't Discord audio going through? What is this? If I set you to that, you mind speaking? Or not? That's cool. Oh, yeah, no, that's not it. That maybe.
what? What? Um,
Okay, yeah, that's definitely working. Oh boy. Oh my god. I used to know how to do this. You mind talking?
yeah, I can talk.
Okay, there we go. It's going through
Okay.
now.
Okay. I have to work on my life lessons file.
God. Those are life lessons, all right.
Yes, they are. They're good ones too.
You said you were down for Uno, right?
Right now?
Not right now,
Oh, I was about to say right now.
but I'm going to do a quick raid out, I believe, and just
I feel like you should invite people to Zenith.
I don't I want to get a um I don't yeah, you know that would be a good idea.
I was gonna say you want to get a what? I
Fucking
don't know if there's
Blitzcrank!
much more to get. We have a Ronnie and a Force. That's all we need.
But yeah, we're going to. I'm just gonna raid Jukes because.
What in the world just happened?
Good question. Turn